So I spotted ERYONE were doing TPU in these lovely rainbow colours and figured I'd give it a go. This one is called Sea Glass and it transitions through green into blue, maybe purple. And this one's called Aurora and is sort of greens and maybe a yellowy orange, hard to tell. But I picked them up and I thought I'd have a go. I've mostly printed with the Sea Glass and it's come out very nice. These are just little sort of door stops. You fix it to a wall and then the door doesn't bang the wall, that sort of thing. But I'm doing them in TPU, so they've got a little bit of resistance. They come out really nice, but obviously being quite small, it didn't hit the colour boundary. But it is a really nice green colour. So then I thought I'd try something a little bit larger. These are just simple lanyard holders for a Ford car key. The original little loop on the plastic key housing, that how the key ring snapped off. So I just modelled these up and the key slides in like that. You can't fold it and shut it, but the key juts out there. You've got access to your alarm and locking buttons. And at this end, you just put a key ring through and either put it on a bunch of keys or a lanyard. So I did a couple of these because they're printed stood up. I was hoping that would hit a colour change. And still not got a colour change as such, but it's got a lovely sheen and a lovely colour to it. The thing is, I don't really print stuff large enough to hit the boundaries on rainbow filament. But I am really happy with the colouring and yeah, it's a good solid material. Early designs of this, I had this bit too thin and it was just pulling the keyring and then it would come off, but I've added a bit more meat to it there and that seems to be working. So it's those two. And then I tried one of my pen cup designs, hoping that would be enough just to hit the boundary. Didn't quite get there, but look at that gorgeous colour. And because it's TPU, so strong. Thing is, I use TPU for very sort of practical things like these door stops and the keys. Not so much decorative stuff, but I absolutely love the way this catches the light. And then I thought, I've not printed my fidget bolts in TPU before, so I had a go. I think I printed this one first and then this one, but then I swapped the nuts over so you can actually see the colour difference there. That just started to hit a boundary. But they're just the same as my usual fidget bolts, it's just they're a bit flexy. They still work the same. It really shows off that lovely sheen. I figure these might be better for younger children who tend to break the ends off by throwing them. Might be a little bit more resilient, although I may keep a couple for myself. And here you can see it just started getting a little bit darker as it was moving from green into blue. A lovely, gorgeous blue colour. And then as I was heading towards the boundary, I thought I'd have a punt and do another cup. And just look at the colour change there. Although weirdly on camera, this is looking very blue. And actually to the naked eye, it's more bluey purple here, coming into green here. Not a bright green, but you can see the colour transition. And it's not really showing up on the camera. Can this one see it? I think this one can just about catch the colour difference here. You can really see it when you hold two things side by side. Look, this is the green it started out at, and then it's moved into this sort of dark green and up into a purple colour. So that was all done in the sea glass. And just today I loaded up the Aurora and just ran off one of these fidgets. And again, such a gorgeous glittery colour. It's almost like it's got actual glitter in it, but I don't think it has. It's printed very well. You've got the strength and the flexibility of TPU. Yeah, I'm really happy with these. I keep looking for a rainbow filament that's got very, very short intervals, because I don't print large things very often. But I haven't found one that's, you know, on something like this, if you print all three parts of this, it's highly unlikely you're going to hit a boundary. So I'd love to see a maker come out with one that was incredibly short changes. Then again, I've got a filament welder now, so maybe I'll just make my own up little random short bits and see what happens. So there we go. That is the ERYONE TPU in the ½ kilo spools, in the sea glass rainbow and the Aurora rainbow. Really good quality filament, as I expect from ERYONE. So now I've just got to figure out other things to print that really do this colour rainbow justice.